find out tomorrow exactly how the city council expects to hold two Cantrell administration officials in contempt. It comes after a judge ruled today the mayor's office must comply with a subpoena from the council for documents related to the now defunct Smart Cities program. Now, that is the program that would have given free internet to underserved parts of the community, but it was canceled after accusations were made that the bidding process was rigged. Good evening. That's where we begin this evening. I'm Cherise Gibson.
And I'm Katie Moore. Mayor LaToya Cantrell's Chief of Staff, Clifton Davis, will now have to hand over all documents relating to that failed program. Devin Bartolotta spoke with some council members in tonight's top story.
This is a selection review committee meeting.
The paper shuffling at City Hall Wednesday afternoon was the work behind the scenes of a very public, ongoing feud between City Council and the mayor's office.
Who will be the project manager and investigative attorney.
The selection review committee chose DeLuca Advisory Services, a law firm out of New York, to oversee City Council's Smart Cities investigation. An investigation moving forward after a judge ruled Wednesday the mayor's office can't dodge a subpoena issued by council early last month.
You don't ever want to be in litigation with the other side of the hall. But unfortunately, that's where we are right now. But at the end, I believe the truth always wins.
Council President Helena Moreno and the rest of council want to know what the mayor's staff knew about possible contract fixing in the defunct Smart Cities program. Last week, the mayor's chief of staff, Clifton Davis III, was granted a restraining order against council as the mayor's office argued it shouldn't have to comply with the subpoena for a trove of emails, texts, contracts, and other documents. But Wednesday, a judge ruled council is acting within its rights and the mayor's office should hand over the documents.
It's a ruling in our favor, but at the end of the day, it's like it shouldn't have been this hard just to get public records.
The mayor's office says it respects the court's decision, writing, quote, "Our office will continue to fully cooperate with the Office of Inspector General's inquiry and work with the City Council to satisfy their demands in a timely manner. And in that time, outside attorneys will begin taking over."
This is something that we are asking professionals to help us with. So this is not going away anytime soon, but we're going to let the professionals handle it.
Freeing up council's resources for other city problems.
Now, the mayor's office had until May 31st to fulfill council's request for all those documents. And because they still have not handed them over, tomorrow city council will ask the city attorney to file contempt charges against Davis, the chief of staff, and director of intergovernmental relations, Arthur Walton. Katie and Cherise, all 7 council members are co-author on